First of all, let me just say what a pleasure it is today to visit Radio Free Europe and Radio Liberty, to see friends from Voice of America. I'm here for a specific reason as the United States ambassador. I'm here because we as Americans believe that freedom of the press, transparency, are all an absolutely critical ingredient to a successful and strong democratic system. It's part of what has given rise to our strength in the United States. We have a lot of different voices. We have a lot of different sources that provide news and cover politicians and cover the affairs of my country. We believe that in any democracy, that the work that goes on by many people here in this room is absolutely critical. So when we hear about things like the possibility for retaliation around the FARA law that we have in the United States out of the Department of Justice, which is simply a means by which in the United States we can provide greater transparency behind those news outlets that are funded by governments, that are promoting a particular political line, that people know exactly who's funding it and where those voices are coming from. It does nothing in terms of impacting the production side, the content, the messages that are delivered, nothing at all. That's part of our First Amendment in the United States. So I'm a little concerned as the United States ambassador when I hear the potential of threats to take action in response to our FARA that would effectively designate members of the media as foreign agents, which is completely different from what we seek to do in the United States under FARA, which is to promote greater transparency so that the viewers know the funding behind the organization and maybe what some of their messaging objectives are. So I'm here because we at the embassy and as Americans feel strongly about freedom of the press and freedom of expression. So I thank you for the opportunity to speak to all of you and to visit this very impressive studio. And as I've mentioned, I hope to come back for some interviews in this wonderful studio behind me. We've already made an agreement on that. Yeah. So I will very much look forward to that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all very much. It's a pleasure to see you. Thank you.
Thank you.